Let's do this. I
Hi, we're in the woods with our truck camper, and we're gonna do a video today. We're gonna do some cooking and enjoy the nice sunny weather.
bugs are getting bad though. Let's set that bug tent up right now and get that over with.
Yeah. Well, we finally got it set up.
Yeah, it wasn't that much, so yeah.
Yeah, and we're bug free.
There's a lot of black flies. No mosquitoes yet, but black flies. A few mosquitoes, not much though.
Yeah, so we're just gonna sit and relax. I do have a little tidying up to do in the truck. It's a bit of a mess right now. We're just gonna relax until then and hopefully enjoy some cooking. Trying out our new adapter. Save
This
some,
works.
yeah. Save some money instead of buying those 1 pound tanks.
Just the convenience too.
Yeah. And it's freaking expensive. Those 1 pound things are like 2 for what, 16?
No, they're like $12 each.
12 bucks each.
Here.
Robbery.
Yeah, works, obviously.
Yeah.
Turn it off for now.
Yeah, I just wanted to
What's
see if
that?
it would work.
As usual, we waited way too long to start cooking, but whatever.
And now we're in our like winter gear because it's freezing out.
Guess we're using this. What are you doing?
I'm filming.
Sorry?
I'm filming a cool guy.
You got your chopping done?
Yeah. Hey, I think we take that back.
I don't see any onions chopped.
Yeah, what are we having? We didn't tell anybody.
Some beef quesadillas.
Yeah. Ew, yeah. And it's almost ready.
It's getting there.
The fast, easy cooking meal. 1 pan, 1 dish.
Cheese that.
Did I just choose one size? I can't remember.
Do both. Right, we're making 2 here. Speed this process up a bit.
Yeah. Oh, right. 2 in the same. I see what we're doing.
I'm hungry now, though.
I'm hungry now too. Okay, that's good cheese. That was good. That was good.
Okay, let's chow down on these things.
Yeah. Cheers.
Ow.
Cheers.
Just hit my ear.
Aw.
Eat this, and then relax for a bit.
Well, we enjoyed our beef quesadillas, and now
We sat around for a while. Now we are getting sleepy, so it's
Yeah.
actually quite chilly out. Can't see your breath, or can you? Oh, you can?
Yeah, you can. We're
It's
in
a little chilly,
full
so yeah.
winter. But we did actually put some more trail cams out because we're really excited about just seeing whatever wildlife's in our area. So we'll check that in the morning. So make sure you come back and see us then.
All right, good night.
Morning. We already made our coffee and we've been drinking it for a little bit. Now we just decided to turn on the camera. We made it through the
I
night.
gotta wake up. I just can't throw it on right away.
Yeah, we're not good for it. We're not actually morning people, so But yeah, we actually have a pile of trail cams set up here. We set them up,
A couple weeks ago now.
yeah, it's private property, like 200 acres here. So we're gonna go just take a little tour and see what we got on there. And we'll put it at the end of this video.
Which will be now.
Yeah, so stay tuned to watch that. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.